Hi. With several different models in the dry and store family, we often receive questions from our customers asking us which model is right for me. And today we're showcasing two of our more portable versions, the dry and store Global 2 and the Zephyr model. So we'd like to do a little quick comparison of how they're the same and how they're different to help you make those decisions. First, they're both electrical appliances. They both plug in. The Zephyr, here the power supply plugs into the back. Same exact power supply that fits in the Global. In fact, this power supply is a universal switching power supply, and you can use it anywhere in the world because it accommodates electrical service from 100 volts up to 240 volts. So it's really a versatile power supply, just for dry and store. They both utilize our DryMax technology, which is a combination of heat and moving air and the desiccant. So both of these are fully automatic. You just press the start button before you go to bed, and when you get up, they're clean and dry. Now, what's actually going on while you're sleeping? We say dry and store works while you sleep. I've taken apart some dry and stores here to show you what's inside. This is what the Global looks like inside, and if you took it apart, you would see here under the tray is circuitry, and what this provides is the timing for the germicidal function that's only in the Global 2. Also, and we'll get to that in a second. And also the 8-hour cycle timing, and it also controls the temperature. In the Global 2, with this lamp that you see, some people think that that provides the heat, but no, it doesn't. That's only for the germicidal function in the Global 2, and it's only on at the very beginning. But anyway, all that is controlled by this circuit board, and we've got a nice little ball bearing fan that sits here under the tray. That's to circulate the air. Same thing. A lot of technology packed into this little box here in the Zephyr. So in the Zephyr, we also have a circuit board to control the temperature and the timing, and we also have a little ball bearing fan that's very quiet. Now, getting back to the germicidal lamp here in the Global unit, it's only on for the first minute and a half of an 8-hour cycle. And then after that point, both of these units for 8 hours circulate the warm, dry air, and what that does, it releases the surface tension of the water molecules so that it can release from your hearing instruments. Then the little fans are going to circulate that dry air that's carrying the moisture molecules over to the desiccant, and it gets captured in this dry brick desiccant, and so that moisture doesn't go back into or on your hearing instruments. Then after 8 hours, the units, both of them, will shut off automatically. Now, with the Global model, if you want to interrupt, you start it right here. You can see the blue light shows that the sanitizing cycle is underway. There's a very slight green glow here. If you want to interrupt the cycle, simply open the lid. On the Zephyr, to interrupt the cycle, you're going to press this button. But if you don't press it, it's going to turn itself off in 8 hours. That's about it. We actually have on our website a side-by-side comparison of these two models so that you can look at the details. And we would encourage you to visit our website, to visit our blog, where you could ask questions. We'd really love to get into dialogue with you on our blog, because if you ask a question, and we answer it, and somebody else has a question of the same type, and we can really get a good conversation going. We also have a Facebook page, so you can visit us there for the latest news about dry and store, our products in the dry and store family. So we appreciate your interest. Whichever model you choose, we thank you for choosing dry and store.